Buddy, how are you today? And I decided it's time I do a video about the WeBoost Signal Booster. So I have a friend, Beth, and Beth, this is for you, who has been thinking about getting one. And a few months ago, she was asking me what I thought of mine. And I told her, she goes, you need to do a video on that. So here I am doing a video about the WeBoost. Okay, so I hope this will help you out. But one thing I want to tell you, this is my experience. It doesn't mean that it's everybody else's experience. It doesn't mean that everybody else has the same opinion that I do. So just know this is 100% brutally honest, pleasantly honest. Okay. And it doesn't mean it's bad or anything, but stay tuned because here it comes. Welcome back. So I'm happy to have you know that I bought a WeBoost Signal Booster. It's called, the one I got, the model I got is the Drive Reach Overland. And I got it because it is made for vehicles and moving in traffic and whatnot. So that's the one I got. It was very easy to hook up, a cinch. I mean, it was a piece of cake to hook up. I have it now. See the antenna up there? That's the antenna. Now I'm going to show you inside the base unit here, which is that unit there. And because it's green, that means that the installation is successful and that everything is working properly. There's the inside antenna, and it is there because I usually am in my bed when I am, or sitting up in my bed against that big pillow there. Okay, so here's the truth of the matter. You have to have at least one. Yeah, that's my finger bleeding. 3 days ago, I took a chunk out of my skin and it just periodically just bleeds. Ignore it. Anyhow, so you have to have one bar on your phone or computer, whatever, in order to get any additional bars from the WeBoost. Well, here's my experience. I have never gotten more than one bar added on mine. I have emailed the company WeBoost twice without any reply or recommendations or anything. So at this point, I'm not really satisfied with the WeBoost. Would I get it again if I had to do it all over again? For $500? Sorry, Amazon $499. No, my answer is no. I would not have bought it had I known it worked very little like this in my experience. So I hope this helps you. I hope it helps you decide whether you want to get one or not, but check out other people if you want. But that's just my honest to goodness, truthful, transparent opinion. You guys have a great day and thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road.